one is
1 extra.
you yeah. He made a mistake. Euro, 1 euro and half.
Yeah, 1.5 euros. Yeah, per minute. That's
Bunun dışında da yardımlarımız devam ediyor. Ama ifade ettiğim gibi ekonomik gücümüz sınırlıdır. Yani bunun altını çizelim.
يعني قوتنا الاقتصادية محددة
financial is kind of limited.
عندنا إمكانيات يعني ليس عندنا
بشرية.
بشرية. أنا جيت من باطمان تقع عند ديار بكر.
يعرف.
Yani
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are here on behalf of ICNA, Islamic Circle North America, to come and assess the situation and also see some of the help that our people, Muslim community in North America and especially in Canada, they have been very generous. They saw the images. We're very shocked. We're still with mixed feelings, sadness, but also we are hopeful, especially you have an organization like yours that gives hope to the people, to the victims. And alhamdulillah, we have Allah and we put our trust in Allah. Allah knows best. And so long as we have people who care, people like yourselves and ourselves, then inshallah there is khair in the future.
رسالتكم للعالم
قلتم
باللغة الإنجليزية.
We would encourage everyone around the world to help these people. Devastation is unbelievable. The amount of damage is beyond our belief. We're all, none of us have it, assured 100%. So we should feel for our brothers and sisters who are, suffering. The loss of their loved ones and also the loss of their homes and everything.